So this is kind of strange. They keep showing up as photon engines. But yeah, we got another product from Ambitful that we're gonna check out. Let's head on over to the desk and I'll show you what it is. All right, we've got something a little bit different today. It's sort of like an interim piece. It works as a part to other equipment. Anyway, let's check it out. As you can see, box says integrated horizontal racket rod, which I think is a really cool name for this, but it's definitely, it's a tripod overhead extender. It's basically like a pole that will work with your tripod. You attach it to I think a 3/8 or a 1/4 inch screw, and then you can adjust your tripod horizontally. But let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. So we are greeted with some nice packaging here right off the bat. Got the Ambitful logo, and I think this is let's open it up and see. All right. So what I'm thinking is sandbags. Yeah, exactly. Okay, cool. So dual sandbags, pretty sweet. Not bad at all. I like it. All right, set that to the side. Here we go. So looks like it comes with a one of those plastic phone mounts. Those are always handy. They got a couple 1/4 inch holes on there as well. There we go. Let's see, 1/4 inch and 1/4 inch. Hold your phone. Nothing crazy. Pretty straightforward. Cool. We also have a little carabiner that's gonna work for the sandbag, help secure that. A 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter. Little tiny adapter there. That way the 1/4 inch can turn into a 3/8 inch on the bottom. So, cool. Looks like this is gonna work for any size that we need to use. That's good. And then we have this cool little carry case. It's like a little mini tripod case. Open that up. We got some bags inside. Looks like inside of here, this is the main piece right there. Wow, that's actually a lot heavier than I thought it would be. So that's all aluminum. Nice. Cool. Okay, you have 2 1/4 inch threads there that are really, really heavy duty looking. As you can see, they're like inset metal. So you've got, you know, like a really dedicated thread there, and even the area around the thread, like wherever you're gonna like tighten anything down, looks like it's really heavy duty there as well. Nice big like Allen wrench bolts on the side, keeping everything together. This thing looks really heavy duty overall, honestly. Let's pull off the cap here. I think this little plate, yeah, okay, all right, that's just coming off like that. That's what I want. Okay, so it looks like the head has a interchangeable thread here. Let's see if I can make that work. Basically, we have a bolt with a 3/8 inch thread on one end, a 1/4 inch, and another 3/8 inch, because that's what fits into here and into the tripod itself. So like when you flip it around this way, it still threads into the 3/8 inch of the tripod arm itself, like the part that we just got. And then this way, again, works like that, but now you have that 1/4 inch on top. You can see what I mean. So we're gonna have it in the 3/8 inch configuration because that's what a lot of my stuff uses. So let's just pop that in here, slide that in. Okay, and then you use like this thing to twist it. I gotcha. So you pull up on the collar. Ah, that's kind of smart. I like that. So like instead of needing like a wrench or anything like that, you just use the collar itself as that part. But looks like you unscrew these and these all extend. Ooh. That feels really nice. I like the way that that sounds. Okay, that's enough of that. Got a little distracted there. Yeah, so looks like you can extend from this end, but maybe from this end as well? Unlock it this way. Oh yeah, wow, okay. So you get extension on both ends. So the counterbalance side over here. I don't think that you can move this collar along at all, but opens up pretty dang long, honestly. That's pretty tight. This is all very like heavy duty. This is gonna be great for like overhead camera setups, anything like that really. I think it's gonna make a whole lot of sense to use in these different situations. We're really excited to try this out. It's definitely been a thing that's been on our list. If you can see behind me, actually, we have a slider that's kind of currently doing this job, because we could stick this out, put a tripod head, and then angle the head upwards so that it's like flat, just like our camera setup over here. We would just have to extend and retract the arm in order to keep everything compact, but it would definitely pack away a lot of the space that this tripod takes up, that this slider takes up on there especially. We're gonna get to testing this out. Oh, look at, there's a couple more parts in here. I almost missed them. What do we have left in here? This is looks like a little bolt hole. Off of the back, I believe right here. Yep. Just look at that. Nice color accent, and then that's where our carabiner goes. Then we're gonna hang this thing off of that. Wonderful. Beautiful. Serendipity. Cool. Okay, so this all fits back into this bag. I'm gonna figure out a way to get that sandbag kind of broken down. I have other sandbags that I'm gonna use, but this will come in handy for smaller weights, smaller counterbalance weights like that. Cool. All right, well, go back to the main desk and chat there for a second. So that's another interesting product from Ambitful. It's definitely a high quality piece. You can tell that all the metal is very solid. It's cleanly machined. There's no kind of like loose ends on things. You know what? I was actually using my my Sony a7 IV the other day. Would you believe it? I screwed in an Arca Swiss 1/4 inch screw onto the back, and then I unscrewed it and I was like, that felt a little funny. Like the a7 IV threading on the bottom is like not perfectly 1/4-20, and I used the same Arca Swiss on my a7S III. Works perfectly there. Use it on the a7 IV, and lo and behold, there's this tiny little shred of metal that came out of it because it wasn't like perfectly threaded or something like that. And it's from the bolt that's sunk into the thread that's in the actual camera. And I'm like, what's that? And I rub my thumb over and it just slashes my thumb open. It is healed since then, but yeah, not a good experience. I was surprised too, because it's like, you know, you expect like Sony and your bigger cameras to have like the highest quality little bits and bobs and pieces like that, but it seems like those details are kind of falling on the wayside from a lot of these bigger brands. So it's nice to see smaller brands like this, like ones that are a little bit lesser known, taking products and making sure that like all the parts and all the fit and finish is well done. Like the only thing that I could see on this was like the little rubber gasket was misaligned, but like, you know, that's a simple thing. You can kind of just fix that and you're good. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. It seems durable from the first trials. Also, love the sound that thing makes. So yeah, we'll be testing this out in the coming weeks. Thank you for joining us. If you like this review, then be sure to, you know, leave it down below. And we'd love to hear your thoughts, what you think we should test out with this, different things that we could try, anything like that. Until next time, everybody, this has been Mega Mini. Peace out. Sweet.